Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to export your Telegram contacts with the iOS, or even Android, it's basically the same thing. So what you want to do for this one is of course open up your Telegram application, go to contacts, or if you do not have the three lines or hamburger icon, go to the website browser or website application. Now once you're here, you need to make sure that you're using the desktop application, so request for a desktop website. Three dots right there, you can go to the contacts right here. And basically for this one, you can just hold it. And basically you can see right there, if I open this one for example, as you can see right here, there is a share button supposedly on this part right here. Now if you can find it, it may be on another version of your Telegram, so you need to update it. So let me just go on App Store right here. Let me just look for it right there. And basically just type in Telegram. Make sure it's updated and ready to go. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I catch you on the next one.